Okay, hello guys. Today I'm I'm John McCar Wong. Today I'm gonna show you a very good thing. The game I will show you is a cheat. It is the Gun Strike 3D or Gun Aso 3. Okay, the gun is already by to me. Okay, let's start. I already buy the old guns in here. Look, I can I can equip this and this one, and I can equip the Agpara. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Look, I win. Every I win the game, I have 200 coins. See, got 200 coins. It's easy. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching. Download the game killer.